Hello, Louis. You can only see his top of his head. Hello, Louis. He's so cute.
Yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Girl, you pushed me like a big boy till I cuffed you like you did something. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta wait for it. Things are getting sticky, girl, I think that I'm stuck. I'll admit I'm wrong, but I know that you gon' come for me.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see, I'm not sitting in the chair today. Oh, Louis, you look so sweet. Today, we are going to do this to my sister. She is such a trooper.
If they fall out, Bria.
She thinks her eyelashes are gonna fall out, but they're not.
Yes, they are.
Because I'm a pro, because I watched a whole bunch of YouTube videos. So now I am the eyelash guru. So we're gonna read the instructions first. This product is designed for trained professionals only and should not be applied to oneself. See? I couldn't apply
it by trained professionals.
I am trained.
Instruction number 1. Cleanse the lashes. Number 4. Or you can use a protein remover or oil-free makeup remover.
I'm just going to use a cotton swab. It's clean. I just got it. My beat, come on. Make sure there's no makeup on. You got some long lashes, girl.
I know, that's why I want to keep them. Apply glue, number 5, to the underside of the shields. You may need to trim the shields as the ends may be too big.
Dang it, I don't have scissors.
And then you're going to place the shields to the eyelid as close to the lash line as possible.
So the pack did come with curling rods, but we weren't going to use them. Okay, so it comes with 3 sizes. These are the smalls. And then this one is the large. I guess it's like the width or something, or the height. And this is the mediums. Right here. So we're gonna see which one fits.
Can I see your thing?
What?
Your little eyelash thingy.
I'm gonna comb them out.
No, let me see it. They was looking a little clumped together.
So we're gonna see if this one works. Basically what you're looking for is that it doesn't go over the hump. So I'm taking the lash glue, the number 5. Oh, it's all neon purple. And get as close to the lash line as possible. Okay, so the next part says, because you probably can't see. You probably can't see. It says, attach the lashes to the shield. You may need to do this in sections. So we're going to wait for this to get a little bit tacky. So clearly we did not read the instructions for this step, but we're just going in with the primer lotion, the number 1, and I'm using the lipstick wand applicator to brush this on. I didn't go in with a Q-tip only because I didn't want like the little white fuzzies to get on the eyelashes. Okay, so I read the instructions and it says to leave it on for 10 to 15. So we're just gonna leave it on for 10. So we're gonna leave it on for 10 minutes. Okay, we're gonna do the other eye off camera and we'll be back. So this eye, 10 minutes has passed. So now we're gonna apply the number 2, which is the setting lotion. And you're supposed to leave this on for 10 minutes as well. So now we're gonna put the moisture lotion on. This is number 3. And it says to leave on for 5 minutes, wipe away excess. The lashes should easily unattach from the lid or from the shield. I just cleaned up your mess. You're making a mess, sir. Why are you making such a mess? I don't be making messes at your house. So now we're going to go in with this cleansing solution and we're going to take the first eye off.
Did it look curled? No, it didn't. Let me see.
Your eyelashes.
I'm just kidding. I was about to say, we're going to have to stop this whole tutorial. I was going to erase the other section out. I was like, stop playing with me, Brit. Not funny.
Yo, that's supposed to.
I was so mad at you.
But no, seriously.
But
no, seriously. Okay, so she has a little lift. I don't know if y'all can see it. Y'all probably can because it's so bright in here. We can't really see it on camera. But I can see it in person though.
Thank you, Brie.
So these are the lashes complete. So this kit actually does work. I would say keep it on for 15 minutes. We were just a little scared that
my eyelashes was gonna fall out.
Right. So this is the end of the video. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and join the B.O.M B Squad. We are Lady Committee. Okay, and don't forget to hit that bell icon notification so you can get notified every time I upload. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next video. Bye guys. So number 5 on the list. This one is a funny one. You have a client, but her friend or best friend is also like a makeup enthusiast. Like